Hello there, wonderful viewers. Welcome to Bonsah.com for our third installment in the Ultimate Business Website Building series. Our mission is to empower you with essential skills needed to craft your own business website without coding. In the first video, we learned how to get affordable web hosting, a free domain, and install WordPress. Then in the second video, we got familiar with the WordPress dashboard, the tool you are going to use to build our business website. If you missed these videos, don't worry, I've left the link in the description below. In today's video, we are diving into the world of WordPress themes and plugins. These are must-have tools for any WordPress site to work properly, so it is really important to know how to install them on your website. No more waiting, let's jump right in and get started. Technically, every WordPress website needs a theme. A theme determines the looks and feel of your website. When you look at these websites, the post page, the single post page, menu, and the footer are positioned as a result of the theme. Currently, the 2023 theme is activated, so the looks of the website are as a result of the 2023 theme. Now let's change the theme to Astra theme. You can see the structure of your website has changed. While the 2023 theme is okay, there are better options amongst the over 11,000 available themes, both free and paid. Some of the popular themes are Astra theme, Block C theme, the Hello theme, Cadence, and many more. In this video, you will install the most popular one of them, or the Astra theme. Now there are several ways to install WordPress theme. In this video, I'll show you two ways of installing a WordPress theme. First, if you buy a premium theme, you will need to upload it. I'll show you using the Astra theme as an example. Just download the theme file from wordpress.org. First, go to wordpress.org, hover over the download and extend, click on themes, search for Astra theme, and click on download to download the zip file. In the WordPress dashboard, click on appearance, then themes. Click on add new, and then upload theme. Choose the zip file you downloaded and click on install now. After installing, click on activate to use the Astra theme. The second way is to install directly from your WordPress dashboard. Click on appearance, then themes. Click on add new, look for Astra or search for it in the search bar. Click on install and then activate. Remember, you can only activate one theme at a time on your website. Now that I've activated the Astra theme on my website, if I want the 2023 theme, I have to go to appearance, themes, and activate 2023. This means the Astra theme will be deactivated. You can also delete a theme from your website by clicking the theme details and then delete. And there you go. You have now mastered theme installation. Next, let's explore how you can install plugins on your website. If you haven't already, please smash the like button and help others to find this video. Now that we've got all our themes all set up, it's time to talk about plugins. Think of plugins like a power app for your WordPress website. WordPress is great, but sometimes it needs a little extra help to do certain things. That's where plugins come in. There are special tools that enhance the function of your website. With plugins, you can add all sorts of cool stuff to your website. Need a fancy calendar? There's a plugin for that. Want to make your website faster? There's a plugin for that too. In fact, there are over 60,000 plugins that you can use, all available in the WordPress library. Plugins can also be added to your website in a couple of different ways. And today we are going to learn about two of the most common methods. Now, one really important plugin we are going to use in this series is called Elementor. It helps us to build awesome web pages. So let's get started by installing this plugin. Method 1. First, head over to wordpress.org. Hover over download and extend. Click on plugins, search for Elementor and click on it. then click on download. Now inside your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins and then add new. Next, click on upload plugin, choose the file you downloaded and click on install now. After the installation, click on activate to start using Elementor. For method 2, in your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and then click on add new. Search for Elementor. When you find it, click on install now, then activate. And just like that, Elementor is now ready to help you create fantastic web pages. You will explore Elementor in more details in our upcoming videos. Remember, all themes and plugins you've added to your website can be found on the left-hand side menu. You will see the Astra theme and the Elementor page builder in the left side menu. You've now become pro at installing WordPress theme and plugins. But hold on, our website isn't quite ready yet. In our next video, we will dive into how to use Elementor to build our web pages exactly the way you want. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss any helpful tutorial from Bonsah.com. Thanks for tuning in. It's Samuel from Bonsah.com and I'll catch you in the next video.